Hey everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to check Instagram Reel history. So now let's begin with the process. First of all, launch Instagram on your mobile device. Now once you are here, make sure that you are signed in to your profile. Now just at the bottom of your Instagram, you can see various options. Just tap on the option of Reel right here. Now, once you are here, you will come across various reels on your screen. You can scroll accordingly to watch other various reels. Now, let's say I like a specific reels on my Instagram. Now, I haven't saved it or did any specific activity on this reel. Now, if I went back to my Instagram reels and scrolled through other reels as well, and if I went back and did some other activities on my Instagram, not for a long period of time, you can just go back to your reel section, scroll up again, and you can find the reel that you had liked. So this is one of the methods you can find your reels history on Instagram. Now the other method would be to like this specific reel. Now let's say you liked or commented on a specific reel and you couldn't find that reel. So what you can do is you can just open your Instagram again and tap on your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, once you are here on your main profile, just tap on the three lines icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now, once you are here under settings and activity, just under how you use Instagram, you'll see the option of your activity. Tap on it. Now, you'll come across various options. So under interactions, just tap on likes. Now, you can see the reel that I had liked. So this is another way through which you can check your Instagram reel history. Now, in case if you had commented on a specific reel, you can just go back and tap on the comment section instead of likes. So these are the only methods by which you can check your Instagram reels history. There is no such other way to do so. And that's it for today. And if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more upcoming tutorial videos.